Hello all, I'm going to show you a simple Arduino doorbell project. In this project I have used a button to trigger a buzzer sound. The components needed are Arduino Uno breadboard, push button switch, passive buzzer, jumper wires. So the button got two wires. One is passive, which is connected to pin number 7, and the black wire, which is a negative, which connected to a ground. And the buzzer got two wires. One is the black wire which goes into the ground, and the purple wire goes to 13, pin number 13. So I'm going to show the demo now. When I press the button, we hear a buzzer. So buzzer sound. So this is the doorbell. So I show you the code now. So this is Arduino sketch, where you can see the two methods, one for setup and another one for loop. Setup contains pin mode 7, which is the input. The 7, we get the input of the switch. When the button is pressed and pulled up, that is input pull up, we get the signal. And pin mode 13 is the output, which goes to the buzzer. So in the loop, if you see, I have written digital read of pin mode 7, and I'm checking if the 7 gives low or high. If it is low, then I'm doing a for loop where I'm writing the number 13 to high and putting a delay of 5, and then making it as low and delay of 5. So this for loop executes 50 times, and that's why we are getting the continuous sound. If the 7 is high, then the buzzer will not make any sounds, and the code is there in the else part. Digital write 13 low. That's it. Thank you so much.